back. I'll continue the next topic. Today I want to discuss the nice and re-nice commands. Nice and re-nice commands. Nice and re-nice commands. So these two are also process commands. So some process commands are already completed. PS command and STTY command and also some other trap command. Okay, so some commands, process commands are completed now. So in the same way, here also one more command is nice or re-nice command. What is the use of nice or re-nice command? We will see that. Okay, the nice command in Unix helps the execution of the program or process. The nice command in the Unix, helps the execution of the program or process with the modified scheduled priority. What is the thing? This point is very, very important. So actually, before going to nice and re-nice command, generally in the operating system, the processor is executed in the priority order. Each process is executed in the priority order. There are n number of processes are executed at a time. So how it is executed? Using the priority order, one process is executed after another. One by one it will be executed. Okay, so critical section path we are applying. One process is executed after next process will be started. Okay, so that process is called, it will be following in the processor. Okay, or kernel will be followed scheduled. Okay, so whatever the schedule is there, that schedule we have to modify. Sometimes we want to execute urgent, so at the time already schedule is going on. So how we can remove that schedule? So if you remove that schedule, then only you can execute your command or your process. So that's why modified priority schedule. How it is modified priority schedule, we can use it in the Unix operating system is nice or re-nice command is automatically modified and automatically priority is changed. So that is the advantage of using nice and re-nice command. What is the advantage of re-nice and nice command is actually already schedule is going on, that schedule we have to modify it and we are executed again modified schedule. So it is called as modified schedule priority will be changed. We can use nice or re-nice command. Okay, it launches a process with a user defined schedule priority. Okay, so why it is using user defined schedule priority will be changed, we can use the nice and re-nice command. In this, if you give a process higher priority, if you give a process is higher priority, then the kernel will allocate more CPU time as usual. Okay, we know that already. Okay, so the process is big, automatically the time taking process is also very big. So that's why, so if the process is higher priority, then the kernel will be allocated more CPU space, more CPU time to that process. So we have n number of processes there, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 is there. So these are the process. So in this process, which is the highest priority, suppose P4 is the highest priority, this will be the occupied more time, CPU time, more occupied CPU time, it means that. Okay, so here whatever the highest priority process is there, that process is allocated more CPU time, it means that more CPU time. Okay, so that process is executed more CPU time. Okay, so this is called as nice command. So in the nice command, whereas the re-nice command is allows you to change modify the scheduling priority. So re-nice is why we are using, already schedule is going on, that schedule will be modified, we can use that re-nice. Okay, modify the schedule priority of already running process. Okay, already running process priority schedule is changing, modified schedule is allocated. So we will use the re-nice command. In the kernel, schedule the process and allocate the CPU time according for each of them. according to for the each of them. So this will be following in the nice and re-nice command. I will show you that some examples. So working with the nice and re-nice commands, first to check the nice value of a process, how it is writing, to check the nice value of the process, PS is a process status hyphen EL, okay, pipeline symbol grep terminal. In this terminal, so how many processes are running, we are giving the EL, okay. So EL is the priority, okay. So here just enter it, what will be the output. So here the how many processes are running, so that process things are values, we can see that here, okay. So what is the output? To check the nice value of the process. So the nice value is this one, the nice value of each process. We can use it using this thing, okay. Next, to set the priority of the process. How to change the modified priority? We can use it nice. So $nice -10, okay, GNOME terminal, okay, GNOME terminal. So we are using what terminal? That name should be mentioned here, okay. So here to set the priority of the process. Here 10 means process ID, okay. What process we are changing the priority, so that ID will be mentioned here. What process we are changing, that ID will be mentioned here. So this is the output, you can see that, okay. You can see that small type of output. Next, changing priority of the current, changing priority of the running process. Already running process we want to change. How we want to change? If you use that, if any modification is done using the sudo, after that you are typing the command name. sudo means super user, administrator only change the modifications. That's why here sudo re-nice option N, here the priority number, here the process, here the process ID. You can observe carefully. So this is the process ID, this is the process ID, this is the 15 is the priority order change. Already 80 is there, that 80 will be changing, we want to give the priority is 15. It is the meaning of it. So here you can see that output. Old priority is 0, new priority is 15. You observe it carefully. Old priority is 0, new priority is 15. So see that here priority in the white color. White color 15 is there. So change the priority order. So automatically this will be followed. Okay. So again we have to check that output is this one, process status. Okay, whether the process status is changing or not. Just we can see that PS-EL pipeline symbol grep terminal. Within the terminal only we can see that output now. Just that way we will see the output using this command. Okay, old process is changing to priorities added. Okay, so this is the changing priority of the running process. Next, to change the priority of all programs of the specific program, all programs of the specific programs. So re-nice -N 10 is there, /G -G 4 is there. So only specific programs only we are changing using the re-nice command. Okay, here sudo again re-nice -N 10 is there, -G 1 is there. So here old priority is 0, new priority is 10. We are assigning that 10 is the priority. Okay, so this is the changing priority of the program of all specific programs. Program of all specific programs. So this is using for re-nice command. So to change the priority of all programs of a specific user, sudo re-nice -N 10 and -U 2. So change the priority of the program of a specific user. I want to only some user, 2 is the specific user ID. So sudo again re-nice -N 10 -u 0. So here the priority is changing, new priority is 10 again. Okay, so this is called as changing, modification of the priority. Okay, so this is the information about nice command or renice command. Right, nice command and renice command mainly using for changing the priority of the schedule. So we can use it in the process commands also. This one also, it is a process command. Thank you.